My father left us too soon. Thought he'd say something, but he waltzed from the room. All I remember is my hands at my side, face of a woman who once was his bride. All that he left us was tears and a couple of lonely volunteers. And all that he left her was tears and a couple of lonely volunteers.